Today in our 2008 Honda CR-V, we'll be having a look at and installing the Roadmaster 7-wire to 6-wire Flexo-Coil Kit, part number RM-146-7. Here's what our 6-pole round connector looks like installed on the front of our CR-V. As you see, it's a nice, compact unit that mounts solid to our base plate. We have a spring-loaded dust cover here to protect our connector when it's not in use. When we're ready to hook up to our motorhome, we simply take our 6-pole round umbilical, make sure the slot here is at the top, insert it, push until it stops. Our 7-way RV connector here will just plug into our motorhome. This gives us a strong, flexible coil wiring, which is great for when we're going around corners, when we're flat towing, and gives us all the connections that we need in order to safely tow. We could have our charge line in here, our lighting system, and our brake functions if we have a towed vehicle brake system installed in our CR-V. We can also use it for an indicator light inside of our motorhome as well, if we wanted to wire it that way. This makes a simple and easy installation, and makes it a lot easier than dealing with a 4-pole flat connector with separate wires going to other items. This will allow you to convert from whatever wiring harness that you have on the front to use a 7 to a 6-way on this, giving you a solid umbilical here. Now that we've gone over some features, we'll show you how to get it installed. To begin our installation, we'll start at the front of our vehicle. We'll be working in this general area here. We have our existing 4-pole flat wiring that was previously installed. We'll start by separating all 4 of our wires. Our ground wire has already been separated with our wiring kit, so we'll separate our 3 colored wires here. Now this 5th wire right here, this black wire, this is for our towed vehicle's braking system indicator light. We'll be utilizing this in our connector as well. We'll take our 6-pole round connector, take the protective dust cover of it off right here, and we'll slide our wires on through there. Now we'll strip back the insulation from all 5 of our wires. Now on the back of our 6-pole round connector, we have a total of 6 terminals here. We'll start with the one marked TM. This is for our tail lights and marker lights. And this will get our brown wire. So we'll insert our stripped back brown wire into there, and we'll tighten down the set screw. Make sure it's nice and secure. Now we'll do our terminal marked GD, which is the one right next to it. GD is short for ground, and that'll get our white wire. And we'll tighten down that set screw. Now we'll do our left turn signal, which is the one marked LT. This also provides the signal for our left brake light, and that'll get our yellow wire. Now we'll do our right turn signal. Also provides our right brake light. It's a terminal marked RT, and that'll get our green wire. That leaves us with our black wire, which is our indicator light wire. That'll go to this terminal marked S, which is where your brake controller signal goes. That's the wire we're using off of our motorhome. Make sure all of our wires are in there nice and secure now. Now we'll take some dielectric grease, which we have available on our website, and just flood the back of this connector. This will help prevent any shorts if water, moisture, dirt, or debris were to enter inside of it. This will give us a longer lasting connection. Once we have that flooded on in there, we'll slide the dust cover back on down until it hits the ridge, and then we'll take our wire loom and reinstall it over our wire. And we'll take some electrical tape here and secure our dust cover to the connector, wrapping around it fully until we get to the end of it. And we'll wrap it up over the wire loom as well. This will help prevent moisture from getting inside. Now we can mount our connector to our base plate right here on the prongs with the self-tapping screws that came with our base plate. Get one started. install the other one, and tighten down the first one. All right, now that we have it installed, we'll test it out. We have our 7 to 6 wire coil plugged into a trailer tester here. You could also plug into the back of your RV. We do have these Tow Doctor trailer testers available on our website if you'd like to purchase one. So we'll start by testing out our tail lights, do our left brake, and now we'll do our right brake light. And that completes our look at and installation of the Roadmaster 7-wire to 6-wire Flexo-Coil Wire Kit, part number RM-146-7 on our 2008 Honda CR-V.
Click the link below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com.